Alright, and welcome to balcony room 10718 on the Norwegian Bliss. Usual emergency instructions. And this is one of those you have to have something in the slot there for the main lights. If you pull that out, it'll turn off. This is a nice feature. You can click to make up your room. Do not disturb. Instead of hanging something on the door or having magnets or whatever. That's nice. Here's your mirror. Full length mirror. Temperature control. Here's your bathroom light. And in your bathroom, you got a couple of hooks to hang stuff on. Plenty of cups for plenty of people. Towel rack. I really like this feature that they have the hand soap and a dispenser instead of being a bar. It's really nice having a liquid soap dispenser. Plenty of shelving. Plenty of shelving down underneath as well. More shelving. And this is where your trash can is at, is inside the door. Little slot there for your blow your nose with, Kleenex, toilet paper. And this was, I really liked the shower. It's really big for a cruise ship shower. Never felt claustrophobic in it at all. And it's also got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Lots of room. I also like the glass doors. You know, your typical thing to hang some wet clothes on. So overall, it's a really good sized bathroom. It's designed well. The hat hangers. Also, the walls are metal, so you can bring magnetic hooks. So now, let's go to the closet. Plenty of room to hang stuff. Plenty of room for your luggage. Lots of hangers. Big full shelf at the top. It needs handles because you have to kind of work your way, and then you have to push from the back to be able to close it. And the door sticks a lot. Plenty of shelving. You're safe. Shelving all the way down. Then you have two switches here. First switch controls your main lights, and this switch is for your headboard lights. Each side has the light. You have a reading light. Then main light. Each side also has a USB port, charge overnight. You have end table with more storage. The bed was really nice. You never felt that it was too put together. You can feel the line, but whenever you're actually laying on it, you don't feel it. The beds are kind of hard, but it was still comfortable. The other side has the same storage, same controls, reading light, main light, USB. Then under the bed, there's plenty of room for storage and things. Small TV, your room service and mini bar order book. Of course, they got to push Park West. Little alcove to put your remote control in. More storage. There's not a shortage of storage. Your quaint corded phone. the refrigerator, which will come with some waters in there that they will charge you for if you drink them. The refrigerator was really good. It kept everything we put in there cold. Your hair dryer. Here's your pull-out stool to sit on. It also makes a nice little table. Your trash cans down here. Then up here on your desk area, you have the big mirror. There's your switch to turn the lights on. And then you have 3 plugs. No USB plugs. You have your European plug. Nice comfy couch, which underneath you have pull-out drawers. For even more storage. All right, now let's go for the money. This is the balcony. Here's your curtain that you can draw across. It velcros to the wall, so that side stays in, but there's no kind of like tie or anything. So you can't open it up all the way. You can only open it up like so far because there's no tie to tie it back. Then you have to make sure it's totally open. I do like the fact this is a slider. You have to leave it in the open, like down. If you try to go halfway up with it, it'll lock the door in place. So you have to have it to the open position to be able to open it. Nice sized balcony, a couple of chairs, table. I like the fact it's glass all the way down. Although this one was interesting, there's no lights. Which is nice because, you know, there's always those people that like to leave their lights on accidentally on their balcony at night. So not having lights solves that problem. Hose hookup. One issue is that when you're on the ocean or the sea and it is really windy, this door will shake. So we had to put a sticker on there to help control it. And then the people on the other side stuck some paper in it to help keep it from moving. So overall, good sized room, lots of storage. You can also lock the door in case some crazy person tries to come across and get into your room through the balcony. But really enjoyed the room, had a good time. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thanks for stopping by.